What's up YouTube? Today we're behind the stitches. Patch Boy Darb is out taking a day off, but today I'm going to teach you something behind the stitches. Something that I think is very important that I think everybody should have is to have a screen protector on their phones. So here's my phone. I have it turned off, but it started cracking. It's just not holding up. In reality, it was only cracked like up in this corner and peeling off. There was some peels around the button here, and there were a few cuts throughout the glass, but not as bad as this because I'm gonna be honest, I started the process before filming. That's kind of, you know, why I wanted to get a new one. And I got my receipt. So on Zag's website, when registering the product, I was really surprised because they didn't ask to upload a receipt to finalize that yes, you did purchase it or validate that you purchased it. And I thought that was kind of strange. You would think that you would have to upload it. They honor it even if you don't have a receipt because a lot of people don't have businesses or don't save their receipts. So they probably just made it a little bit easier. Surprisingly, I submitted this last weekend and I already got something in the mail. And I've got to say, from a design perspective, this packaging is really cool. When you open it up, it says, "It's here!" And this is just like so cute. And they even have like a little cutout for the section, and props to their designer, the packaging designer, for putting this together. So this is what you're gonna get. You have this little envelope, like, ooh, this is so fancy. In this envelope you get a little wipe, and then you get, I started this process already, but you get a cleaning wipe, and you get this removable sticker to remove dust and such. And then on the top is your new screen protector. So they put this in a little envelope packaging here. And there's the new one. So that's pretty awesome that they sent it. And it was much faster than I thought they would. So today, I started this process already. So when I started peeling the old one off, that's when it started breaking a little bit more. I'm also going to take off my case. I also think that everyone should have a case on their phone. Like, you're just asking to break your phone without a case. So the first step is that you're just going to take a cloth and just kind of like take the cloth and kind of wash it off. But actually the secret is this cleaning wipe, which I think it's just like alcohol wipe. But then you just kind of like rub it on there. So you can use this one to wash it off. There's still probably going to be dust and sticker residue on there. So just do this really carefully, like get really close and get every little nick and cranny off. And if there's still smudges, like go back in, just take your time with this. And I kind of already did this step, so it's going to be a little bit more wet when you do it, but like really get in there. Make sure that there's nothing on the phone, like no residue whatsoever. Okay, and then it's still going to be a little bit wet from the alcohol wipe, so you're just going to come in and dry it off with this white cloth here. I see a few little dust spots, so that's when you take your invisible shield removable or sticker remover. I'm going to take off one edge. I guess you could do the whole thing, but I'm just going to do just this little bit, and I'm going to go in and just kind of get some of those spots that I think have particles on it. Looking at the screen or the phone at different angles so that you can kind of see it through the light to make sure that there's nothing on there. Yeah, on the packaging it does warn you, like make sure it says use the included cleaning wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust remover sticker to clean up your screen and screen completely. Anything left on the screen will show up after your invisible shield is applied. So let's go to the next step. Remove protective film marked with number 1 icon. So we are going to grab our new one, and there's the number 1. Hope let me get it in focus for you guys. So you're going to pull this tab. Oh my gosh, this is nerve-wracking. Okay, so we removed that, and we're just going to use Easy Apply tabs to align Invisible Shield glass with the edges of your device. I think that looks pretty good. Alignment. Okay, and then it says apply by pressing down on the center of the Invisible Shield glass. Peel off the outer plastic layer, and you can already tell that it's doing its magic, but just start in the middle and just kind of work it, get all those bubbles out. Man, I don't know about you guys, but this is pretty fun. So back in the day when I originally bought it, they gave me this Invisible Shield installation squeegee. So I'm gonna use that, but it did not come with the replacement. So we're just gonna kind of squeegee out these bubbles. All right, so I've kind of gone through and gotten most of the bubbles out. There are just 2 bubbles at the very bottom here that I couldn't squeegee out. It's not bad. It's looking really good, and it's on there pretty straight. It's slightly off, if you can tell, like where the circle is. It's a little bit to the left, but not too shabby. It looks really good. The glass isn't in the way for the camera. I think it should be fine. But yeah, there's like maybe a spot right there, 2 and 3. So maybe 3 spots that there might have been some dust particles on there. All right, YouTube, so we are back, and so far, I think the whole process with the Invisible Shield through Zag is quite wonderful. They honored lifetime guarantee without a receipt, even though I had a receipt. So overall, my expectations, I didn't have very high expectations. And going through the process, I was very impressed with the process. Thank you guys, and hopefully you learned something today. Make sure to always have a screen protector on your phone, because I would rather have the glass for my screen protector break than my actual phone, and then replace, you know, a $500 to $1,000 phone. So thank you guys so much, and see you next time.